So for all of you who have been subscribed to my channel and been watching my videos recently, then you've seen that I've just started to repair my credit. And in doing so, I signed up for the new Chime Credit Builder credit card, which is set to boost your credit score to a 700 within only 6 months. How? Well, we'll get into that a little later. But today, as the title says, I actually just received a brand new shiny metal credit card from Chime. Now today, we're going to discuss this metal card. We're going to actually unbox this metal card, or in this case, open up this metal card to see its look, its durability, the sound for all my Dave Hansen followers out there, and just how I was able to obtain this metal card. And then finally, we're going to discuss how I'm going to use this metal card to boost my credit score from a 540 all the way to a 700 in 6 months. But before I get into that, I'm going to need all of you to do me a favor. I'm going to need all of you to stop right now, pause this video, and pound that like button. And then subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this on investing, saving, stocks, dividend, money, real estate, credit, and just personal finance overall. I'm Lorenzo James, and you are now watching The Handsome Investor. What's going, everyone? Happy Friday, investors. I hope we all had a green week. I know for me, the market has just been up and down, with everyone saying that a stock market crash could be on the horizon. And if one does come, then make sure you see my previous video discussing how to prepare for a stock market crash if one does happen. But that's not the topic of discussion today. This is. Oh, what's this? Well, I'm glad you asked. You did ask, right? Are you still there? You see, in this envelope holds the key to boosting my credit score from a 540 to a 700 in just 6 months. Yes, I'm talking about the new Chime Credit Builder credit card. But this one is special because this is the new shiny metal Chime Credit Builder credit card. But before we go ahead and open this, let's discuss why I decided to join Chime and get their Chime Credit Builder credit card for all of you who didn't see my previous video on Chime. You see, Chime is a new online bank that was actually founded in 2014, but didn't come on the scene until 2019 after the announcement of their SpotMe service, which came out in September of 2019. Now, Chime SpotMe service allows you to overdraft on your account without having any fees attached to it. Fees that could be worth up to $35 at most banks. But that's not all that Chime has to offer. Chime also has a savings account that provides a 1% annual percentage yield, which is higher than most of your normal banks. But the main feature that Chime has to offer is the one that we're discussing today, and that's their new Chime Credit Builder credit card. So how this works exactly is first you must set up a checking account with Chime Bank, or what Chime would call a spending account. And with this spending account, you must have a direct deposit of at least $200 or more going into the spending account. And then you can apply for your Credit Builder credit card. Now, once you apply for your Credit Builder credit card, then you can start improving your credit by using your Credit Builder credit card. Now, how do you use that? We'll get into that a little bit later. But if any of you want to sign up for a Credit Builder credit card and a spending account today, then do so by clicking the link in my description where you'll get $75 after your first direct deposit of $200 or more just for signing up today and watching this video. And the beauty of the Chime Credit Builder credit card is that there isn't any credit check required, any annual fees, or security deposit required to obtain this credit card. So now I bet you're wondering, how do you obtain this credit card then, right? And how does it work? Well, as I discussed earlier, the way to obtain this credit card is by signing up for a Chime spending account and getting a direct deposit of $200 or more. And then you can easily apply for a Chime Credit Builder credit card with no credit check required at all. So how does this all work exactly? Well, be it that there isn't any security deposit or any annual fees, there isn't any report of your credit utilization, which does make up 30% of your credit score. Just something to keep in mind. So the way the Chime Credit Builder credit card works is it actually works like a prepaid debit card. You see, the way it works is you transfer money over from your Chime spending account into your Chime Credit Builder account. And then you can make purchases using your Chime Credit Builder credit card. And the purchases you make using your Chime Credit Builder credit card will be sent to the credit bureaus monthly. And those payments will be sent over as paid in full, being that you did transfer them over from your Chime spending account into your Chime Credit Builder account. And keep in mind that your payment history does make up 35% of your payment of your credit score, which is the biggest chunk. And by using the Chime Credit Builder credit card, many have reported an increase in credit score of at least 30 points within the first month. Now, being that this is my first month using the Chime Credit Builder credit card, I don't actually have an update for you as of yet, but my Chime Credit Builder report was just sent over to the credit bureaus, so I should have an update for you on how this has personally affected my credit score in my next portfolio update. But now the main question is, how did I go about getting this metal card? Well, it was actually pretty simple. You see, Chime was doing a promotion that if you made 50 purchases using your original Chime Credit Builder credit card, then they would send you a free new shiny metal Chime Builder credit card. And since I was using my credit card to make purchases to try to boost my credit score and give it a test run for all of you out there, I was able to complete this goal of making 50 purchases before Christmas, which is how I was able to get this brand new shiny metal card. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open up this envelope and see what this new metal Chime Credit Builder credit card looks like, feels like, and sounds like for all my Dave Hansen fans out there. The moment has arrived. Should be playing some crazy theme music in the background, right? Oh, that's not theme music, that's drums or whatever. But oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at this. Very metally. Activate your card in the Chime app. So make sure you get the Chime app to activate your card. But it's nice and green. Can't bend it. Oh my goodness. I love green, my favorite color, as you all can. That's kind of a bluish green, but yes, green is my favorite color. But I mean, the look is just amazing, guys. The look, amazing. And now let's try the sound test. Oh my goodness, did you hear that? Oh my goodness, could you just hear that slapping on the table when you're out to dinner? Definitely gonna draw attention. Now, yes, this card does look amazing, but it's kind of pointless unless we go ahead and add money on this card. So I can't wait to now go ahead and add money from my Chime spending account into my new Chime Credit Builder credit account, so I can go ahead and use my new shiny metal Chime Credit Builder credit card. And for any of you looking for some free money to add to your Chime Credit Builder credit card, then don't forget to click the link in my description and sign up for Webull, where now you get 4 free stocks that can be valued of up to $3,700 after funding your account with $100 or more. And then go ahead and sign up for Robinhood, where you get another free stock that can be valuable to $500. And just like that, you got 5 free stocks that you could turn around and sell, and now you have free money to add into your Chime Credit Builder credit account. So, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this every week on investing, saving, stocks, dividend, money, credit, real estate, and just personal finance overall, then you know what to do. And if you don't, then I'll leave it right over there for you. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all again on Friday, or maybe Sunday. I'm Lorenzo James, and this is The Handsome Investor. So after my previous video discussing Chime's new Credit Builder credit card, I've been getting a ton of messages about the Discover It Secured card and the new X1 credit card. So today, I decided to make a video comparing the two, the Discover It Secured card and the new X1 credit card. So today, we're going to discuss the differences between the two. What are the pros and cons